Well, I said she's been running very well, and she's overtaken her sister career-wise, but now she's overtaking everybody else, and in fact, her sister may have just nicked second place on this side.
I have Clayton of Jamaica here with me after winning 100-meter women with the world-leading mark 10:92. How does it sound to you? Did you expect to run so fast today?
Honestly, I didn't have a time in mind. I just came out here to just execute the race properly. I didn't do that because I didn't get the start I always get. But otherwise from that, it was a great race.
Ladies and gentlemen, May 16th, 2025 witnessed some of the good names or big names in the sprint world. And these are the three sisters from Jamaica, the twin sisters Tia and Tina and Mama Speed, that is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, participated in the Wonder Diamond League meeting that was held in Doha, Qatar. Even though Mama Speed got position 4, it was a good statement of Jamaica taking position 1, 2, and Mama Speed, unfortunately, she got position 4. We really respect her. This is the video that I want you to watch of the sprint before we come back and for more comments.
Clayton twins, this is Tia Clayton. Tia Clayton's just got this one at the moment. Van der Weyken is close. It's going to be very tight on the line, but Clayton's going to get this. It's Tia Clayton, 10:92. Well, I said she's been running very well, and she's overtaken her sister career-wise, but now she's overtaking everybody else, and in fact, her sister may have just nicked second place on this side.
So thank you guys. You know, this was the final 100 meters women race that took place in the meeting Doha, Qatar. That is Wonder Diamond League. You know, as you know, Wonder Diamond League has different meetings where different races are being held. And in this video, we are going to narrow down or just speak about the 100 meters race. So these two sprinters, Tia and Tina Clayton, as you know, they are twin sisters. And in the past, Tia Clayton was not doing that well as compared to Tina, her twin sister Tina Clayton. Tina Clayton used to dominate during their times in high school, but at this moment, Tia is taking the lead. Like in this race, she is currently having a world lead time of 10.92. Just a week earlier, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the 3 times Olympic gold medalist and one of the most accomplished sprinters, expressed her confidence in the future of Jamaica's women's sprinting. That confidence was validated in this race on May 16th. It was on Friday. The 20-year-old twins, Tia and Tina, claimed the top 2 slots in the women 100 meters at the Diamond League meet in Doha, Qatar. Tia Clayton lit up the track from lane 3. She was in lane 3. She blazed to a world-leading time of 10.92 seconds, and at this point she has put the world on notice. The people who used to doubt her, now they see that she has a potential. She has a great potential. Remember last year in 2024, the Olympics that was held in Paris, she was the only Jamaican lady in the 100 meters final who managed to go up to the final. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Sherika Jackson were not able to, but she participated, and this was her first race. And being coached by one of the greatest coach, Stephen Francis, she has a great potential. The two of them have a great potential. Right behind her, her sister Tina took the second position at a time of 11.02 and made a powerful Jamaican finish of 1-2 finish. The sprint queen Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce almost made it a full Jamaican sweep, turning on the jets in the final 50 meters. But despite a strong 11.05 second finish, she was edged out by Great Britain's Amy Hunt, who clocked a personal best of 11.03. Still, it was a proud moment for Jamaica, showing the baton is in good hands with the Clayton twins leading the charge. The Diamond League meet in Doha was a special one for Jamaican fans and also fans all over the globe because in looking online, I saw some videos of some African fans, especially from my country. They were there in large numbers just to support and look at some of their best athletes, one of them being Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and of course our twin, our lovely twins, Tina and Tia Clayton. Most of these fans were very happy as they saw this event marking the return of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. You know, last year in Paris, I think she wanted to retire last year, but currently she's 38 and she decided she's going to retire this year. After this year, she says that she'll be not running any longer. So most of the fans were elated to see her in flesh performing. Now, on what many believe to be her farewell tour, the 10-time world champion continues to show why she's a true icon of the sport. I've especially prepared a video of her reaction and also the reaction of Tia Clayton about the race. This is the video before we come back for more comments.
Can you tell us about the race? Are you happy with it, or what did you learn?
Well, I have to go back and look, but it's been a while since I've competed in the, consistently. So I think, I'm glad that I finished healthy, which is good. So I thank God for that. I just look forward to going back and building and coming for the next one.
After 6 years in Doha, what did you feel today? What was different for you?
Honestly, Doha is a great place to be. 2019, I won my World Championship here. I've came back here for a lot of different, diamond leagues. It has been fantastic. The atmosphere has been electric. The reception has been wonderful. So I'm excited that I was able to come back again.
At the press conference, you said that you're really having good training, you're in great shape. So where can we find your fitness at this moment?
That's not for me to say right now. It's a long season. So just continue to work and just hope for the best.
Well, you're speaking about your motherhood quite often. So what is the biggest challenge for you now when it comes to competing and training, to juggle between those?
Pretty much the same thing, with anything you have to balance. Being a mom and being an athlete, definitely a balancing act. And just being present at different moments when you're required to be, and really just enjoying the moments when they come.
I have Tia Clayton of Jamaica here with me after winning 100-meter women with the world-leading mark, 10:92. How does it sound to you? Did you expect to run so fast today?
Honestly, I didn't have a time in mind. I just came out here to just execute the race properly. I didn't do that because I didn't get the start I always get. But otherwise from that, it was a great race.
How was it to run with Shelly-Ann? Because of course this is her last year on the circuit, and it's maybe special momentum for her and also for her opponent.
Well, I've run with her already, so this is actually not my first time running with her.
And we made the history today when you see name Clayton, the Clayton sisters on the first and second position. So is it somehow special for you and your family?
Well, it's very special to me to know that me and my sister can come out here back like what we used to do in high school and to execute and to just come out here to show the world what we are really made of.
You look a little bit tired, a little bit sad. Was it tough today, or you were just maybe a little bit nervous?
I wouldn't say nervous, but just a little shaky today. But we get together in the end of the season.
Perfect. We wish you good luck in the rest of the season and good times as well.
Thank you.
So there we go, guys. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, after securing a bronze medal for Jamaica in the women 4x100 relay at World Athletics Relay in Guangzhou, China on May 11th, alongside rising stars Tia and Tina Clayton, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce brought her signature fire to the track once again. Many people were very happy to see her. This stop in Doha was the third leg of the 2025 Diamond League series and the first to feature the women 100 meters. And what a way to kickstart things off with a team such as Jamaica. Team Jamaica making their presence felt loud and proud. We are very proud with our ladies, and to the people posting videos of pitting like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, she's competing with her sisters Tia and Tina. I want to tell you that Tina and Tia, despite being position 1 and 2, we really respect Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce because so far Tia and Tina have not been able to achieve what Shelly-Ann has been able to. And when Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was breaking records and doing great things, Tia and Tina Clayton were watching at her. Remember, they have like an age difference of 18 years. When Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was 18 years, Tia and Tina were being born. So this is a nice. And also one thing, when you look at all of them, they are humble. They don't have they don't go about bragging. All of them are humble. This is a good thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, share it out, and remember to leave your sweet comment down this video. Until next time, job blessings.